been enjoying coming up with summer glam makeup looks. The fiery orange lips are definitely the staple in this look. I upload beauty videos throughout the week, so be sure to hit that notification bell and subscription button in case you want to be notified when I upload throughout the week. First, I'm going to go with my Makeup Forever Smoothing Primer. I love wearing this underneath my matte foundations because it doesn't emphasize my texture. For foundation today, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter matte foundation. I love this foundation right now. It's perfect for my skin tone. I love the airbrushed appearance that it gives my skin. It does change colors on me. I'm not sure what the deal is with that, but I just made sure to get a little bit lighter shade because I know it's going to go a shade darker on me. But I do love this foundation. I've had it for a while and I find myself going back to it constantly. Next, I'm going to go with my Catrice Camouflage Concealer. I love this stuff. I need to get another one because I'm getting kind of low on it. But I use this all the time. I actually like using this as an eyeshadow primer as well. I love this Dermablend Illuminating powder. I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face, make sure that concealer and foundation are locked in place. I love this Bobbi Brown Illuminating bronzing powder. This is in their shade Bali Brown. I don't think this is exactly my color right now, but I actually make it work. I really like it and I really like the formula. I love how many golden glitters are in this. It makes you look like a golden bronze goddess. I love it. For blush today, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Peach Scented Blush. This kind of reminds me a little bit of Too Faced with all their smelly formulas and all that. Not smelly, they smell good, but they always put scent in their products. I have talked about this in the past and I love this blush. It's so affordable. You can get this at Walmart or Target or wherever, and it's really a great formula. It also smells like peaches, so although the scent does wear off over time because I've had this for a while now. For my eye look, I went in with this Tarte Amazonian Clay Tropical Eye Palette. I used this shade right here in my crease on the outer edge, and then on the inner corner I used this shade right here in Tropical. So that is all that I'm going to do with the eyes today, aside from the eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with my Be Real liner. I'm going to line my eyes and get a pretty dramatic flick for this look today. This isn't as good as my Kat Von D, but it works. I'm going to take this brush. It's a little bit thicker than I would normally go underneath the eyes, but I want a very, very diffused color underneath there. So I'm going to go in this shade right here and I'm going to buff a little bit of this underneath my eyes. To finish up the eyes, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Glide On in black. I'm going to line my waterline and then I'm going to go back into my palette to brighten up my inner corner. To finish off the eye look, I'm going to go back into my Tarte palette and I'm going to go into this shade right here and brighten up my inner corner. That is the eyes finished. Now we are ready to jump into the lip color. First, I'm going to go in with this Colourpop lip liner. This lip liner is in the shade Clique. These lippie sticks are extremely creamy, so they will slide around a little bit unless you let them dry down. But that's why I like to go on top with a liquid lipstick. This is by the Kathleenlights Colourpop collab, and I love this color. It's very, very intense. It's got lots of orange in it, but I feel like I really needed to do a look like this because this is perfect for summer. This is like a summer night out look. I love this shade. It's just such a fun color, and you don't see this all the time. You don't. Before I put my glasses on, I'm gonna set my under eyes. I'm seeing a little bit of creasing going on, so I'm gonna set my under eyes really quick. For highlight today, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Amrezy highlight. I love this highlight, and I want a little bit of gold in my look today, so that's what I'm gonna go for. Alright, and that is my look. I'm gonna go ahead and put my glasses on so you can see what it looks like. I really like this look. I love the lips. They're a little bit brighter than I would go for usually, but I don't know, what can I say? It's for summer. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you soon. Bye!